Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the most commonly occurring Wi-Fi connection issues on your Sony KD-43X TV. So before starting a troubleshoot process of your Wi-Fi on your TV, just make sure that the same Wi-Fi network is available for the rest of your devices. So connect, for example, your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network and open some online application, for example YouTube, and check if it refreshes properly to check if it's not your router's problem, because if it's your router's problem, you're gonna have to restart it or call your internet service provider. And now let's if it's not the router's problem, if it's the problem with your TV, then first of all make sure that no wireless devices are located nearby your TV. So it can be your phone, it can be your gaming console, it can be a Bluetooth speaker or anything else that can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. If after removing all these kinds of all of these devices from your TV still cannot properly connect to a Wi-Fi, let's perform the soft reset of the TV. Then to do that, hold down the power button, which is located right below your Sony logo at the bottom of your TV. Hold it down for a couple of seconds until your TV powers off. Then remove the cable from the power source, your TV cable from the power source, and leave it like this for about 5 minutes. Then return to it. Okay, so after 5 minutes, plug the cable back in, then try turning on your TV, I'm sorry, and let it launch. It's gonna take a while. And after your TV relaunches, let's check the Wi-Fi connection. Let's go to all settings. Let's go to network and internet, check your Wi-Fi network. And if it doesn't work, if your device still isn't connecting to it, then go to its properties and select forget network. Click OK. Then return to the Wi-Fi networks list and try reconnecting to it. Enter its password once again and try to reconnect to this network. And in case you're still encountering some problems on your TV, then try connecting to a different network. And if you don't have a different network around your TV, then create a portable hotspot on your smartphone. To do that, go to settings, then network and internet, in case you're using an Android. In case you're using an iPhone, you just have to swipe down the control center, open the internet menu or network menu in the top left corner, and then find portable hotspot, tap on the icon, and then you'll be able to turn on the hotspot. But in case of Android devices, go to network and internet, go to hotspot and tethering, switch the Wi-Fi hotspot on, and go to its properties and check the speed and compatibility. Make sure that it's set to 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. The lower the better. And also check its password. And now find your Wi-Fi hotspot on the networks list and try to connect to it. Here it is for me, the Pixel. Now let's tap connect and see if it works for you. And in case your TV doesn't want to connect to your mobile hotspot, then the issue is probably somewhere within the TV. There is most probably some hardware issue. But if it does connect to your mobile hotspot, then the problem might be in the compatibility between your TV and your router. So you may want to replace your router for your TV to be able to connect to it. The last thing that you can try in order to troubleshoot this issue is go to the system menu in settings, and then go to about section, go to reset, and perform factory data reset from here by selecting this option and confirming your choice. However, after this operation is done, all data will be erased from your TV, including your accounts, including your settings, applications, etc. So back everything up, back every important thing up to, for example, a USB flash drive before you do that. And after that, give it a shot. Maybe it will resolve your issue in the end. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.